friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download a Google Sheets document as PDF. There's two easy ways to go around this, guys. And the first way is to simply go ahead and click on File on the upper left hand side. And here you have Download. You want to go ahead and choose the PDF document here. So click on PDF and you will see that it now pops up as a PDF document, and you can easily go ahead and export this. So once you export this, it's going to download for you as a PDF document. And if I open up my file explorer here, you will see that I have this document as a PDF document. You can open it and it's going to open up as PDF document. And this can work with whichever document that you have that you want to create a PDF document with on your PC. Go ahead and click on print, and once you have the print option open, guys, you want to go ahead and choose the option. In this case, you want to go ahead and click on next until you have this print feature open here. And here you want to choose in the list, depending on whatever is there, you can save as a PDF document, or you can choose Microsoft print to PDF. It doesn't matter which one. Any one of these options you have, go ahead and choose that and then click on print, and it's going to go ahead and save it, or give it the option to save it as a PDF document. So I'm going to call this one new, for example, right? New, and just leave it as that. Click and save, and this same document here is going to be saved as a PDF document. If I go back here, you will see new, and if I open that, and if you look here, you see it's the same document. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.